Welcome back. Hope you are doing well. What is the value of square root of 12 times 13 times 14 times 15 plus 1? We have to simplify this but without using calculator. So let's get started and see. First of all, let's suppose this is equal to x and we have to find the value of x. So x is equal to square root of 12 times, we can write 13 as 12 plus 1 times 14 as 12 plus 2 times 15 as 12 plus 3 plus 1. Now let's suppose this 12 is equal to any value, it's equal to a. So putting this value of 12 in that equation, it will be equal to a times a plus 1 times a plus 2 times a plus 3 plus 1. In the next step, we are going to rearrange few terms like a times a plus 3 together, and after that a plus 1 times a plus 2 plus 1. Now we are going to multiply these two terms and these two terms together. This will be equal to a square plus 3a times this is equal to a square plus 3a plus 2 plus 1. Now let's suppose this a square plus 3a is equal to b. A square plus 3a is equal to b. So putting this value of a square plus 3a in this equation, we get square root of b times b plus 2 bracket close plus 1. Now we will multiply b square plus 2b plus 1. I hope most of you get that this is the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, which is an algebra identity. So that's equal to a plus b whole square, mean this is equal to b plus 1 whole square. So the square and root cancel out. We are left with x is equal to b plus 1. Now we are going to put the value of b, which is equal to a square plus 3a. So that will be equal to a square plus 3a plus 1. Now putting the value of a, that was 12, in that equation, that will be equal to a square means 12 square, 3 times 12 plus 1. 12 square means 144. 3 times 12 is 36 plus 1. After adding these three, that's equal to 1, 7 and 1, 8, 181. So we got the value of this expression, that is equal to 181. I hope you find it easy. If so, please thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.